Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous flower bouquet which is made using paper quilling strips, and also I will share how to make the base flower vase using blue and peach color combination quilling strips along with the 5 different flower composition, how to attach the stem, how to make the leaves, how to make the bouquet, everything in detail. So without any delay, let's get started. I'm starting with making the flower vase. For this I am taking here half strip of peach color in 5 mm and making one tight coil. Then I am taking half strip of blue color in 5 mm and making one more tight coil. Like this. So we need total 80 blue color tight coils and 55 peach color tight coils to create the vase. Now here I am taking 4 cm diameter cardboard circle and I am covering it using blue color craft paper. So just taking little bit bigger circular paper than the cardboard and sticking it with the glue, cut the edges as fringes and cover it from all the edges. Then taking similar size one more paper circle, adhering on top, and the base is ready. Then on the edge I am adding glue and I am starting with making my vase. So starting with blue color tight coils and creating my first row using these blue colors. So first row is ready, and for first row I have added 15 coils. Now for the next row I am adding one peach color coil, then 2 blue color coils, then 1 peach, 2 blue, and so on. And each time we have to add tight coil between 2 tight coils. So first row is done and it should look like this. Then for the second row, on top of peach coil I am adding 2 peach coils, then 1 blue, 2 peach, 1 blue, and continue. So third row is also done. Then for the fourth row I am adding blue tight coil between 2 peach coils. So first I am adding 5 blue coils on top of peach coils and then filling the space using 2 peach color coils. So this is also done. Then for row 5, here I am taking peach color tight coil, which is I am adding on top of 2 peach coil, and the space between peach coils I am filling with 2 blue color tight coils.
So this is also completely ready. Then starting with the next row, so we have to repeat the row from 4 to 1 in reverse order now. So first on top of blue tight coils, I am adding 1 tight coil of blue color and adding 2 peach tight coils in between. So this is also done, and now we have to just continue remaining 3 rows just like we did first 3 in reverse order. So I have reached to my 9th and last row, and which is I am going to cover with blue color tight coils completely. So after covering the last row, our vase is completely ready. This is super duper easy to make. You just need to follow the simple instructions and you can create such cute and beautiful pattern on your paper vase. So this is completely done. Now here I have created this big tight coil which is made using 20 orange and blue color strips. I am short of blue strips, so I have just used my orange strips, and anyways it will going to be in the bottom of our vase, so it will not be visible. I have just covered the outer layer using blue tight coils so that it will look blue from outer edge, and in the bottom of vase I am adding this big tight coil to give just little dimension and the nice base. So this is completely ready. Now I am starting with my first quilling flower. For this I am taking here half strip of pink color and making one teardrop shape. Now I am joining total 7 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center using B7000 glue. So flower is ready. Now for the next flower, here I am taking half strip of purple color and making one leaf shape, just joining 6 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center. And this is also done. Then for the next flower, here I am taking half strip of yellow color and making one pointed teardrop shape. So we have to make teardrop first and then just pinch on the top to create pointed teardrop shape. Now I am joining 7 petals together and again half cut pearl in the center. So this is done. Then for my fourth flower, here I am taking half strip of white color, making one Malaysian flower petal. And wrapping this petal using light yellow color strip. So the petal is ready. Now I'm joining total 6 petals together to create the flower and adding half cut pearl in the center. So this is also done. Then for my last flower here, I'm taking half strip of orange color in 10 mm, just folding it twice like this and start cutting fringes using scissor. Do it very gently and carefully, don't cut the strip, and we have to make thin strips like this. Now opening my fringe strip, attaching half strip of yellow color in 5 mm with this and start rolling it using your quilling tool to create the fringe flower. Open all the fringes gently and the beautiful flower is done. Now I'm showing you how to attach the stem with the flower. So here I'm taking half strip of sap green color, and this is a 2 mm strip, just creating a tight coil, making a dome using quilling mold. So I'm just cutting the bottom pollen so that we can pass through the tight coil dome, passing my pollen through the dome, adding glue, and then just sticking my flower on top of this. So before sticking the flower, we have to just push it on the palm to make it little 3D, and then sticking it with the stem. Allow it to dry completely and it will be adhere forever. So with the similar method, I have attached the stem with all the flowers, and each design I have created 3 to 4 same pieces to fill my vase completely with the flowers, and they are looking absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? So the bouquet is ready. Now I'm showing you how to make the leaves. So here I'm using my comb quilling technique, just passing through the second last and third last slot, folding like this, add little glue. Then from back side, taking out from same slot, after 2 slot, taking down, and then doing the repetitive manner to create the leaf. Now from back side, I am securing it using glue. Taking out the half part of the leaf. Similarly, I have prepared one more part, so just joining both the parts together and the leaf is ready. Similarly, I have already created lots of leaves. Then it's time to construct our bouquet. So here I'm taking my handmade cold porcelain clay. This is the air dry clay, and putting it inside the vase so that we can tuck our flowers easily. You can also use foam or any sponge to tuck the flowers. And then using glue, I am starting with the adhering all the flowers inside the clay and creating my bouquet. After attaching all the flowers, I am connecting the leaves. And similarly, I have attached all the leaves between the flowers, some on the outer side, some in between, some on the top, so that it can balance the color combination. And this is completely ready, so you can just decorate your home, you can gift it to anyone, and it will never fade, it will never get dull, it will always be same as flourish. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments eagerly. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.